A major immigration update just dropped in Saskatchewan, and timing is everything. Saskatchewan has officially announced a new intake for employer position assessments, opening on May 4, 2026, under the Saskatchewan Immigrant Nominee Program. This replaces the former job approval form, and applications will be accepted on a first-come, first-served basis. Key highlights: employer position assessments officially replace the job approval form. Applications open May 4th under a strict industry-based schedule. Transportation and retail open first. Accommodation and food services open later the same day. What does this mean for you? Saskatchewan is actively prioritizing employers and candidates who are ready with complete documentation, meet current work permit requirements, can fill immediate labor market needs, miss the submission window, and your application could be returned. Why this matters for immigration? Employer-driven pathways continue to become one of the strongest routes to Canadian permanent residency. This can offer faster employer-supported nominations, stronger chances through Saskatchewan pathways, direct access to in-demand occupations, real opportunities for skilled foreign workers. Preparation is everything. One missing document, one late submission, or one eligibility mistake could cost you this opportunity. Gunness and Associates can help you prepare the right documents, coordinate with your employer, and make sure your application is ready the moment intake opens. Contact Gunness and Associates today.